the C major scale, the C sharp or D flat major scale, the D major scale, the D sharp or E flat major scale, the E major scale, the F major scale, the F sharp or G flat major scale, the G major scale, the G sharp or F flat major scale, the A major scale, the A sharp or B flat major scale, and so the bonus tip, we can play the scales in more than an octave. That's to say, for example, the C major scale, but in order to achieve this, after completing for the right hand, at finger number 4, instead of finishing the first octave with the pink finger number 5, you bring finger number 1 into the next octave on this C. It's called a thumb tuck. When it reaches here, then you rearrange and then you continue the same way we have been doing the scales. Returning at finger number, then you bring finger number 4 onto the next one. Demonstrate again with the right hand. Then bring the thumb. Then finger number 4. The left hand. Then you bring finger number 4. Then bring finger number 1 on this C. Demonstrate again, hands together. Another bonus tip is you have to always play these scales in a 4x4 time, not a 3x3. What I mean by 3x3 is playing them in this way, counting in this format. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's very bad and it will lead to no progress in your piano scales. Instead, you have to always play them in a 4x4 time signature. That's to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. In that format. And in order to achieve this smoothly, make sure you always accent or make the fourth note louder. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. You have to always make this, the one in the second bar, make it louder. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. Thank you for logging in. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you are always notified whenever I upload a new video or a new lesson. Thank you.